People these days are so lazy. They won't even sweeping and they just want to relax and relax and relax. They prefer using something that is easy to use and no need to use so much energy. For example, vacuum cleaner. The only problem is it's too expensive. So Asrul has appointed several people to solve this problem and they are called the squad. A total of 4 people have been appointed, namely Sharifah, Tasha, Nurul and Farish.
Pose with the fans.
Our school SMK Kunak Jaya, which is located in Kunak, Sabah, has its own greatness. However, our school and schools around the world still do not or lack understanding of the concept of cleanliness. They are also lazy to sweep and look comfortable despite the situation. We asked the squad want to eradicate this incident, so we created multi-clean.
What is multi-cleaner? Multi-cleaner is a type of tool that can replace a vacuum and it is environmentally friendly. Why is it like that? This is because in addition to maintaining cleanliness, students also lack the understanding of the concept of recycling. Making this tool using recycling tools is the right choice in addition to keeping the environment clean.
This sketch is just an initial concept of our design. We may update it if something goes wrong. As you can see, this is multi-cleaner. It combines 2 things, vacuum and a mop. At the top, there is a handle that makes it easy for the user and a button for turning it on and off. In the middle, we use a plastic bottle as a water container for the mop. On the side, there is a small fan made of a can for the purpose of vacuuming. At the bottom, there are vacuum and mop parts. We use PVC pipes for the dust and water pan. About the cost, because we only use recycled materials, it means the cost is only 52 ringgit 50 cents.
If you are wondering why we want to bother ourselves and make all because the disposal of recycled goods has increased rapidly since 2013. Besides, vacuums are very expensive. So instead of wasting your precious money just to buy a vacuum, it's better to save it for something else that is more useful. That's all from us. See ya!